2, 3, 4. Adventure seeker on an empty street, just a alley creeper lying on his feet. Young fighters screaming with no time for doubt, with the pain and anger, can't see a way out. Ain't much I'm asking, I heard him say, gotta find me a future, move out of my way. I want it all, I want it all, I want it all, and I want it now. I want it all, I want it all, I want it all, and I want it now. Woo! Hey guys, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing I Want It All by Queen in the original key on a high G string ukulele, so grab yours and let's go. Alright, the tricky part of this song is that we are splitting the bars in quick chord changes. So the main part goes like B minor to A to B minor. And if you count it, it goes something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And as a strumming pattern, I'm doing something like down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. All right, something like that. It's not necessary to follow it exactly. So if you speed it up a little bit, it sounds something like. Okay, and after that we go G to D to G, and then A to G to A, and the last line is different. We go B minor to A. But A is not changing so quickly this time, it's just splitting a bar. So let's try to do it together slowly. One more time. Minor to A. All right, and after that we go to the pre-chorus. And again, we have strange places to change the chords. We start with the chord of D, 2 and 3, and on the 4 we play G, and then on the next bar we go to A, 1 and 2 and 3, and again on 4, G, and then A, 2 and 3 and 4, and next bar G, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, let's try it together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and. I want it all. All right, and after the first chorus, we go to the second verse, which is changing a little bit. The harmony is basically the same, but we're not going through the fast changes. It goes something like down, 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 up, up. Okay, so 2 down strums, and then 1 more down, down, down. And on the last line, the up strums on the A are on the offbeat, so it's 3 and 4 and. Okay? And after that we go to another chorus, we repeat it twice, and the second time we're cutting the last line of the chorus and we are going to the bridge, all right? Which starts with B to E. If that is too hard for you, you can just bar on the 4th fret and kind of ignore the A string, just not really pressing it, not really lifting the finger, just let it be muted, okay? All right? To F sharp, which is barring on the 1st fret, middle finger on the E string 2nd fret, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the G string. All right, so And here we go to G, then to A, and then leave it all. And here we go to the solo where the song kind of speeds up a little bit. And we are doing B to G to A to E major. Okay? Repeating these 3 times. And the strumming I'm doing is something like down, 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 down. That's too fast. Anyway, slower, this strumming pattern is something like down, 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 down. Basically, I'm not stopping this hand, and just after the first down strum, I'm leaving a little bit of space. And on the 4th time, here we ended with G, D, G, D, A. And I'm also putting the pinky right here on the 4th fret to hear this C sharp. And then we go to another pre-chorus. Ain't much I'm asking, I heard him say, gotta find me a future, move out of my way. I want it all, I want it all, I want it all, and I want it now, I want it all. Basically here the song is ending. We repeat the chorus a few times and then we just finish it on G. Now I want it, I want it, I want it. And you can end it like that. Well, I guess that's it. That's a really fun song. It always reminds me of a friend of mine who is the biggest go-getter I know, and I guess I'll play it for him next time I see him. So play it for your friend that fits in this category. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. I'll leave you to the snowy hill. Bye.